In the rolling suburbs of Paris, Francilian House stands as a bridge between past and present, where a 19th century home finds new life through sensitive extension. It cherishes history, reuses memory, and opens gently toward the light. The original home sits firmly on the street, its volume intact yet introverted, solid brick, modest openings. A new volume is semi-buried into the sloping site, emerging on the garden side. A glass in-between gap aligns these eras, an elegant transition that celebrates each time period. HEMAA carefully dismantled dilapidated parts, saving the masonry stones on site. These stones became the backbone of the new facade, blending old growth with fresh architecture. The extension utilizes light-colored long bricks, white architectural concrete frames, and oak, tying to regional craftsmanship. The street side shows the entrance, kitchen, dining with access through the glazed corridor. The glazed passage itself becomes a spatial bridge between eras, flooded by daylight. 4 bedrooms and walkway above the glass link, each offering fluid connection to both old and new. The transparent corridor brings soft light deep into the heart of the home. South-facing sliding glass wraps the living room in natural glow, dissolving borders. A palette of light wall finishes amplifies daylight, offsetting the solid brick mass. The interplay of reused stone and long French brick echoes local heritage. White concrete frames create crisp, peaceful boundaries around windows. Oak frames soften edges, grounding the home in warmth and tactility. Interiors prioritize clarity. Clean, muted surfaces that let material character shine. The passageway glass link becomes a gallery-like transitional space. Bedrooms under rafters show retention of authentic structure, with minimal furnishings that emphasize volume and daylight. The extension opens fully to a long tree-planted garden, adorned with fruit trees. A terrace and patio reconnect indoor life to nature, while the slope blurs level distinctions. Lush plantings and sliding doors make the garden an extension of the home. Francilian House transcends time and slope, a poetic fusion of eras and volumes. Heritage stone and new masonry stand in quiet dialogue, linked by glass and light. It's a home of layers, of memory made present, of openness made private, and of architecture at once historic and new.